Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Pisces. So let's start with these cards here. We have Seven of Stars, Two of Suns, and Five of Stars. So Pisces, in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, in your circumstances today, guys, you are someone making efforts, you are doing things just like the way you should do, doing things in the right way. But no matter what, your circumstances are quite difficult for you to handle. There are certain things, maybe in your work or maybe in this relationship, a difficult situation, something you need a lot of perseverance to hold on, a lot of grit and patience if you want to overcome all that. So, things are not as you expected, guys. And you have a lot of dreams for yourself, goals, and these dreams may look like something impossible with the way things are going today. So, maybe in your work, you are seeing a really difficult circumstance, something not right, something not happening the way it should. And though you are making the right choices, though you are making efforts, using your skills and talents, you are trying to be your best, but still there are some negative circumstance, something really difficult for you to handle in your circumstances, guys. And you need a lot of grit and perseverance if you want to see success in your life, Pisces. If you want to overcome this difficult circumstance, you need a lot of patience and grit. And maybe you have a lot of negativity in your heart. So, even in this relationship, you have a lot of negative thoughts. Maybe you are just very anxious, thinking that this person will leave you. So, what will happen and what will be your life without them? So, some kind of negative thoughts, repeated thoughts you may have in your heart. And you are worried, maybe because of the arguments you both had, or some misunderstanding you both had. And whatever be the situation, guys, you need to understand that if you want things to resolve in your situation, in your circumstance, Pisces, you must have a lot of patience today to overcome these difficult situation you are facing right now in this relationship. So the card for your relationship, it's Papist. So in your heart of hearts, deep down, you will have that intuition telling you what needs to be done. Or there may be someone quite close to you, someone truly concerned about your welfare. So this person may give you certain ideas what you need to do today, guys, Pisces. So if you can trust this person, you can listen to them. So what needs to be done today in your circumstances, you can listen to their advice. and you should never resort to impulsive reactions, maybe anger, angry words, um, and fights are not going to work, guys, in this situation. So you need a lot of patience today, Pisces, if you want to handle this circumstance in a harmonious, balanced way and see clarity. So for your career circumstance, we have Astronomer of Spheres in reverse. So with this card, it just means that there may be some delays or suspensions in your work, but if you are working very carefully, if you are truly attentive, concentrating in your work, things will resolve, guys, very soon in your work situation. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Pisces, thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Kyanite. It is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, this crystal stands for having that diplomacy, resolving disputes in our circumstances, and restoring harmony and mending the fences we have, and building bridges or connections with the people we care for. So in our relationship, this may be the time for you to be a bigger person, being really diplomatic, trying to connect with that other person and try to have that mutual understanding, guys. There is a reason for you to be with this person, guys. There is a reason this person is here in this relationship with you. And now to connect with them in a healthy way is to understand that you both are different. You must honor those differences. But diplomacy is going to be the thing that is going to help you mend the fences you both have. And you will be surprised how much you will, or your words will reach to that person if you say it lovingly, if you, instead of trying to prove your point logically, guys. So love is going to mend the fences you both have, and it will bring harmony in your relationship, guys. Maybe sometimes for some of you, it's possible that you have attracted this relationship where you are doing all that emotional work and this person is simply sucking your energy and they are not doing anything from their side. If that is the case, you can always say no. And if you feel that there will be no change with that other person, you can always end that relationship, guys. That is your choice. Know that it is okay. You want to free this conflict that way. But if you can do it with love, it is going to be much more better for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. This crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and balance in your relationship. So let's see what is the second card for you. For those who chose this second card, it is transformation. And again, a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that there are people, maybe it may be one person or maybe someone, it may be two people or more than that. They are quite envious and jealous of you, jealous of your success in your career or jealous of your personal life. So they are trying to do things, trying to oppose you, trying to pull you down, bring obstacles and problems in your circumstances. But you need to understand that this is the time for you to handle your situation wisely. Do not give in to temptation. So you may be tempted to do certain things from this by this person. If you can avoid these temptations, you can live a life of peace and harmony. But even if you cannot, if you have given in to these temptations, you will be facing few consequences, but there is nothing wrong in that. You will have a better understanding, a better learning, more wisdom. So what you need to do, you will know for sure, guys. So in your relationship or in your personal life, you are going to use your intelligence and being self-reliant, being confident in yourself, and you're working towards a better situation for yourself. So there are a lot of positive transformation happening in your life today, guys. And you serve as an inspiration to younger people in your life, maybe your children or your sisters or brothers. You are their inspiration and you are the guidance. So the way you handle your circumstance is simply going to teach them the right things in life. And you need to understand that whatever good deeds you are doing today will never be wasted, guys. You will get it multifold in your life. So whatever goodness you do to others, you are going to receive, guys. You can rest assured on that. So that is the energy with this card. So this envy and jealousy, it's not going to last forever. There is going to be an end to it, and you are going to succeed in your life, guys, whatever you take up. But right now there may be some problems you are facing, some struggles you are facing, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.